What do you think the chances are, honestly, bro?
That you're going to jail? More than likely, buddy. Yeah.
Columbus Police Radio Room, Operator 35.
I'm a U-Haul employee, and we have a stolen report on one of our 20-foot trucks, and I just located it, but I'm going to need a police officer because they're repainting it. They had it painted white. Now they're repainting it scarlet and gray.
Oh, okay.
The truck number is still located on the top corner.
What is the address that you're at with this?
All I seen was 440 Marion Road. It's the old little carryout market. It used to be the fruit market right here at Marion Road.
And there's somebody in it right now?
Actually, there's a male outside. He's the one painting it. There's also a female with him. They had the back door open. They got it backed up to a container, so I couldn't actually get it to see the license plate, but I'm sure it's our truck. I can see the TT number on top, which is how ours are labeled.
What's up, man? How's it going? We had some people calling in saying that you guys look like you were unconscious.
Been up.
Been up?
Yeah, been spray painting the truck. Look at that sign.
Spray painting the truck.
I just cleaned up all the area. We're waiting on the people to show up.
What are you spray painting
What
the truck
people?
for?
Huh?
What are you spray painting the truck for?
Just trying to make it look
put Ohio
nice.
State on it.
Oh, okay. Am I coming over here for a minute?
I didn't do
Yeah, you
nothing
just
wrong,
drop
sir.
it. Yeah, I see that.
I don't have to say nothing. I mean,
Yeah, it's true. You want to have a seat on my bumper right there?
I'm trying to figure something out. Man, do you mind stepping out of the car, please?
Who's this? U-Haul? Okay. Just stay seated right there for a second, man.
what did I do, son?
We're not sure yet, honestly.
I didn't.
What's your name?
I don't have to give you a name, sir.
Oh, you do have it.
What?
There's reasonable suspicion that you committed a crime.
What crime did I commit?
So people are saying that U-Haul is stolen.
The U-Haul is not stolen. That's not even U-Haul.
It's not a U-Haul anymore?
No.
Okay. So, are you going to give me your name and information?
I don't have to, sir.
You do have to. We have reasonable suspicion that you're going to commit
But the U-Haul is not stolen.
Okay. And we'll get that figured out. You can leave your hands on the
I
front.
apologize. I did nothing wrong, sir.
Okay. So we'll get that figured out, but you do have to give me your name.
Well, I didn't.
Okay. What's your name? Okay, we'll get that figured out. It's non-violent.
Non-violent, but that's fine.
Okay. Do me a favor, turn around. Face around. Okay. Put you in handcuffs. You told me you got a warrant. You got to get that figured out, okay?
I'm sorry, you're cutting out. So 45A occupied Marion? Occupied.
Got big wrist, dude.
440 Marion Road.
We'll talk about that later, man. We're gonna get this. Gotta get everything figured out. Figure out what's going on with this U-Haul. I'm gonna talk to some people. Those too tight. Not too tight. Let's go this way. I'm gonna sit you in the back of my car.
What did I do?
Can you turn that on? Watch your head.
What's he saying? The U-Haul stolen?
So,
That's what they thought it was. We're trying to figure that out.
yeah, we're trying to figure that out. He might have been mistaken. What's your social, man?
You got the...
Alright, what's your name?
Paul Fleming, bro. I'm going to jail, man.
Paul what?
Fleming.
Fleming.
What do you think the chances are, man?
What's up, man?
What do you think the chances are, honestly, bro?
That you're going to jail? More than likely, buddy. Yeah. If it's not, if what you're telling me is true and it's a felony, I can't reset you for it. So, but just be cool, man. It'll be something you can work through pretty easily, okay?
No, it's not, bro. I'm being this.
You said it was possession, right? Possession of, like, drugs?
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll go to drug court, man. We'll talk about that.
We're trying to figure something out, man. Ma'am, do you mind stepping out of the car for us? You're good.
U-Haul? Okay. Just stay seated right there for a second. We're not sure yet, honestly. What's your name?
I don't have to use my name, sir.
How you doing?
There's reasonable
So we're trying to figure out, there's a stolen U-Haul that's matching this description, so we're just trying to figure out if it is the U-Haul or if it's a different car. If it's not, if it's a different car, if this ain't him, then he'll be free to go, but since someone called it in saying something about it, we had to investigate it.
If it is, I don't have any idea about it. I'm only doing it in 2 days.
I got you. Where you stay at?
Me? I'm homeless.
Homeless. You stay over on Parsons Memorial or hang out there? Great Southern? Gotcha. Further south, what brings you up this far north?
I come up here and work. I cut grass for people up here.
I got you.
Yeah, I've been cutting grass for like 4 or 5 years now.
So you just met him not too long ago? Alright, so what's his... What's your name, man?
April Moynihan.
April what?
Moynihan. M-U-R-N-A-H-A-N.
M-U-R... Sorry, my radio is being annoying. M-U-R-W-A...
No, M-U-R-N-A.
M-U-R-N-A-H-N?
H-A-N. Moynihan.
The wild last name.
Yeah.
Give me 1 second. Yeah, we're trying to figure out still what's going on with it because the tag didn't match that Arizona tag. I didn't run the tag yet. He said he had warrants, so that's why we got him ran away. But I think U-Haul guy's back there if you want to talk to him. That'd be helpful. What's your birthday? All right, and your social, and you stay on the streets. All right. Hey, Samara. Just hang out with her for a sec for me. I'm trying to figure out, since McGinty probably knows what's going on more than us. That's why we got him.
Okay. Where is the tag on the back?
I think U-Haul guy's back there.
Okay. Yep. Stand here. Okay. Alright. Hello.
Hi.
You're the one who called?
Yep, and it is ours. I just got the phone by general manager. I'm the assistant manager.
Isn't this the one that got stolen, brought back, and then stolen again?
Yep.
Is that the same
On the
tag?
4th.
Because he was saying it wasn't the same.
That's not. It was an Arizona.
The number's still on the other side. That tag's been changed.
Okay.
You guys want to give me a second? I can run down the store full paperwork and verify it.
Okay.
Directly.
Yeah, we'll be here. Yeah, if you want to go get it, come back.
All right, I'll run back.
The U-Haul was in fact stolen. Mr. Fleming had a felony warrant for his arrest and was taken to Columbus Police Headquarters to be interviewed by a detective. Miss Moynihan had a misdemeanor warrant and was given a new court date before being released. The U-Haul was returned to its owner. It does not appear that any charges have been filed out of this incident. I believe that is because Mr. Fleming convinced the detective that he did not know the truck was stolen at the time. Without being able to prove that fact, the case would be a waste of the court's time.